Let's bake some eggs. Hi, I'm Eric. I filmed on my phone and welcome to another video. Today we're doing something a little different. We're gonna bake some eggs because I discovered this online. I'll link the website I found it from down in the description below. But I discovered this brand new way to make eggs, and it's probably not brand new. It's just brand new to me. You would think it would be so complicated, but it's really not. All you need is a couple things and just a little bit of time. Let's get started. The first thing that you're gonna need is a muffin pan. I don't think it matters exactly how deep it is. I have this one that's a little bit shallower than some other kinds, but I think it works fine. It worked when I baked them the first time, so I'm just gonna use that again. Next thing you're gonna need is some nonstick spray. I know that Pam is a problematic brand. We had this before we figured out that they profit off of prison labor, I think it is. So we're gonna use this today, but feel free to use your more ethical ones as well. Of course, you're gonna need as many eggs as you're gonna cook. Obviously, you have up to 12 in a muffin pan. I have 2 because I'm just cooking for myself. I normally have 2 eggs each morning. So now you're going to heat up your oven to 350. We use convection bake on our oven because our oven is kind of trash, so we can't just normally bake it. My time on my oven may be a little less than what it takes to cook on your oven because convection is faster than normal baking normally. Spray where your eggs are gonna be with the spray. It didn't need to be as aggressive as mine. I'm just not good at spraying. You can also use butter or margarine or anything that you use to make things non-stick. Now you're gonna crack your eggs. Now you can season it however you want. I would just say to start out, I would just use salt and pepper. But I've seen things like Italian baked eggs where you add like even like pasta sauce and like other good stuff to it. So, you know, just do whatever you want with it. I'm just adding a little salt and pepper. I don't like that much pepper at all. I think it kind of tastes fake. So I don't really add it that much, and it's sticking to my hands because I kept washing them after cleaning eggs. You'll still probably have to wait for your oven to preheat. If you're smart and proactive, unlike me, you would have done that long beforehand. And yes, it is almost 3 p.m. I'm just now having breakfast. Please don't judge me, it's quarantine. Now that our oven has preheated successfully, we're now gonna open the oven. Obviously, it'd be very hot. And then we're gonna put our eggs right in there. Yeah, and we're gonna close the lid. You're gonna cook them for 15 minutes. So 15 minutes later, and I'm taking them out of the oven. I switched over to voiceover because it got a little louder in my house. But as you can see, there they are. They're gonna come out really easily. As long as you spray them, you should be completely fine. There's one, look at that. That's the bottom of it. But as you can clearly see, they should be, you know, fully solid so you don't get salmonella. And that's what they look like. And they look so good. I enjoy them. It's now my favorite way to have a plain egg. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys want to see more tutorials like this, then let me know. And with that, thanks for watching. This is TurtleStormer. Catch you later.